Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's vlog. Today we're working on the walls, these back panels, and hopefully, if we have enough time, the ceiling. I say hopefully because I talk too much and I don't work enough. So that being said, you're gonna get less talking today and more working. So sorry if you came here to hear me ramble, and for the rest of you, you're welcome. Let's get into this. Okay, folks. So we last left off last week doing a few touch-ups on the van box. Since then, I told you we were going to be working on the walls, and that's what I've been working on. and the ceiling. What you hadn't seen behind the scenes while I was working on the walls and the ceiling, I had to take a break. Had to go to Florida for work. See, this is still June, I believe, when this video goes up. I've already been to Florida 3 times in the month of June. So we had to take a little break. But if you've been paying attention to the video, you know that we just put up one of the panels for the ceiling. We're gonna pick back up and finish this. It is June 20th. It is about 4 p.m. I'm just now starting. I didn't get in from Florida until about 1 o'clock this morning. And then spare you all the details, but I had to wash clothes. Otherwise I'd be out in full black. Black jeans, black shirt. I should be in a lighter colored shirt today, because I tell you what.
It's a hot goddamn day.
But yeah, anyways, let's get back to the build, all right? Let's finish this. We'll probably finish tomorrow, but we'll see. Here we go. All right, a little update. Frog in my throat. So we got the back panels on, and we even got the rear speakers put in. I got this wide shot so you can see the difference, the before, the after. And in case any of you are paying close attention to the details, I'm gonna go ahead and point it out to you. We got 2 little dark spots here. Got a little heavy on the glue, but I don't mind it so much on this door, on this particular panel, because my water heater is gonna be going here. It'll cover that up. The water heater is gonna be resting, the bottom of it, right above this speaker here. Yep, we're just about done. I've got to do a few more screws in this bottom panel, finish screwing in the speaker. I just wanted to take a moment to show everyone. And we're gonna do this door and the rest of the inside. So let's get back to it. Everyone, I owe you an apology. You're not gonna see the end results of the walls and ceiling. I'd like to say it's because I'm gonna show you something really cool, but it's just because I didn't finish. And it's not because I didn't finish, because it didn't work. If you've been paying attention to the videos, you've realized that I've been putting a foam over the panels before the cloth. About 4 days ago, I ran out of foam. And so I had to order some more because I couldn't find it locally. And it didn't get here until yesterday. I say yesterday was the 24th, today's the 25th. You're watching this video tomorrow on the 26th. If that makes sense. Speaking of time travel though, the last 2 days, including today and tomorrow, I am working at an event with my uncle, Uncle Bill, and my brother Vance, who y'all have all met in previous videos. And if you haven't met them, you haven't been watching my videos, go back and watch it if you're watching this one. I'll see if I can remember to put up a postcard. Click on it, watch it. Anyhow, you're gonna see that video next weekend. So yes, the stuff I'm talking about today, I was working on yesterday, you'll see next week. If that makes any sense. And after that, we're gonna get back to the van. I got a lot of stuff for the van coming up. I just had a little hiccup with the foam, but it arrived last night. I'm gonna get back to it later because I've got work coming up. I apologize for not finishing. You'll get to see it. In the meantime, you know what time it is. Peace. Okay, folks, let's get back to it. Where's that damn measuring tape?
When I was at Isaac's in Oregon, we had me on one end, Isaac on the other, and Jaylena came in with a 2x4 and spread it from one side to the other.
Doing it by hand is
Kind of
much
like what they do with concrete,
yeah,
smoothing it out.
well, doing it by hand is much better because you can pull it tight. You got it, dude.
This is me sliding on this. Doing this is going to be a blooper reel.
Just roll off of it. Don't, yeah, there you go.
Hey everyone, welcome to this week's, cancel. Hey everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. Today, we're doing walls and hopefully the ceiling. So, I don't know. Let's get into it. Cancel. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to the, shit. Hey everyone. What am I fucking, oh my God.